Well, hey, what is going on, everybody? And so, welcome to another one of my tutorials. So in today's tutorial, guys, I'll be swapping out hard drives in my PS4, basically upgrading the hard drive. I'll be going from a 500 gig to a 2 terabyte hard drive, and what I bought was a Western Digital 2 terabyte here. Most people I've noticed they go to the Seagate hard drives, and I don't personally have experience with Seagate. Um, I got like 4 or 5 Western Digital hard drives, and they haven't crapped out on me yet. They've been really good, really reliable. So I went with Western Digital again, guys. So that's just my thing. So yeah, I basically, guys, I'm gonna break this video up in parts, 3 parts. This tutorial here, part one, basically be doing the swapping out and reinstalling firmware, basically getting the PS4 up and running again. Basically, that's part one. Part two, I'll be going over with you on how to jailbreak the PS4. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that since everything's going to be like almost brand new. So that's that. Part three, I did back up all my games. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back and reinstall all my games, especially my Sega Saturn games, guys. Somebody said that fake package files won't work with the recovery or whatever. So I'm hoping it will. We're just gonna go ahead and do it and see what happens, and hopefully everything works out fine. I got like 30 Saturn games, and I'm hoping I don't have to doggone reinstall all those, but hey, that's just the way it goes, right? So let's prove these guys wrong. Hopefully I do. But anyway, let's just go ahead. We'll jump on over to the computer, guys. We'll get this thing rolling because it's going to be a long day for me, and for you guys it's not, because of course it's going to be broken up and whatever. But okay, that's it, guys. Let's do it. Okay, guys, so I apologize. We need to actually come to the PS4 first instead of the computer, because I want to show you the backup and restore deal. Okay. So before you pull your hard drive, guys, you want to make sure you back up anything that you actually want to carry on over onto your new hard drive. Okay. So we're going to go up to settings here, and we're going to go down to where it says system. Alright, we go back down to backup and restore, and I actually got to hook up my hard drive. Hold on one second. Okay, and make sure, guys, that when you hook your hard drive up, make sure it's on the second port on the right. Okay, make sure of that. Because as far as I know, that's the port that's supposed to be on it. It worked for me, no problem whatsoever. But here we go. We're going to jump into it. What you would do, you go to backup PS4, and in order to I guess save your trophy information, you got to be signed into the PlayStation Network. But I'm not really a trophy fan, so I don't care about trophies, so I just skip all that. Okay, let it load up. And like I said, guys, I've already backed my stuff up. I just want to show you guys how this works. But you can back up all your games, save data, captures, themes. Of course, your settings are going to automatically be included in all this. But you can actually uncheck these if you want. Just install your games and settings. It's totally up to you. Just check off whatever you want. Now, this part right here, guys. Now, if there's some games that you didn't want to carry over, you don't have to delete them from your system. You can come in here, guys, and you can actually just uncheck whatever you want to. You can uncheck every one of them and just back up your saved data, captures, themes, and settings if you wanted to. Okay. Or you can just come through here and just say you want just those games right there, and see, out of 81 games, I just want to restore 5. You know what I'm saying? But that's how it works. And then you can just come over here to next, and then it will show the name of the folder. It will create a PS4 folder, guys, and then it will go to an export folder and blah blah. And this will be your the name of the folder that has your backup. All right. So that's it. That's all you do, guys. Just make sure you do that before you put your hard drive in. Or you don't have to do nothing, guys. If you just want to start fresh, that's totally up to you. But that's how you do it. All right. So now let's get to swapping this hard drive out, guys. And I'll see you in a second. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and swap out these hard drives here. All we got is a little Phillips screwdriver here. That's basically all you need. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this cover here off. And what you do, you just press down on it and you pull back. Just like that. And we'll slowly take it off. We'll just set it off to the side here. And so now what we got is we have one screw here, guys, and it has those like PlayStation controller logo, like the button logos on here. So that's the one we'll be taking off. Just set it off to the side. And basically all it's supposed to do just slide right out. And it is. Just that simple, guys, really. I mean, and now, guys, you got 4 screws. 1, 2 on that side. And you have 2 on that side. So we'll be taking those off. And that should release the hard drive from the tray here. We'll get the other side. Okay. We'll touch that board, really. I don't want to touch it. Okay, there we go, guys. And this here is actually a Samsung hard drive. Samsung. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I got it in the picture or not, but the video. But yeah, Samsung. So we'll place this over here. We'll get our new hard drive out here, guys. Western Digital hard drive, and we'll set it back in the tray here. Okay, and we'll put the screws back in. This the pain in the butt part, really. Trying to get these screws lined back up. Okay. We'll just kind of snug them up now. And there we go, guys. She's in there. She's in the tray. And now we'll insert it into the slot here. Push it all the way up. There we go. We'll insert our last screw here. Basically just holds the hard drive in place. That's pretty easy. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Total of 5 screws, guys. That's it. And so we'll put this back on. Okay, guys, we are in business. We are in business. All right, so let's hop on over to the computer now, guys, and we'll download the files necessary to get this thing up and running again. All right. Maybe over to the computer, guys. Okay, guys, so this computer portion of this tutorial shouldn't take that long. I'm basically just going to show you where you're going to download your file here at. So let's go on over to our web browser. So this is the PlayStation site. You can grab up an update file, or you can grab up an reinstallation file. You do not want to download an update file for what we're doing for upgrading a hard drive. You need to download a reinstallation file. And another thing to note, guys, is that this site right here may have been updated, and if you want to jailbreak your PS4, the latest firmware is 9.03. There's no jailbreak for 9.03, only 9.00 and below. Okay, if they updated this site, you very well may be downloading the 9.03 and you're not going to be able to jailbreak. So if you want to jailbreak, there's 2 other sites here, guys. This is DarkSoftware. You have your retail firmwares here, test kit firmwares, and your recovery firmwares. This is the ones you need to concentrate on, your recovery firmwares, guys. Okay, this is where I got mine from. You have to create an account, guys, for this download to appear, but it's not that difficult. Hold on, let me get back into this thing here. Okay, there you go. So that's all you have to do. Download this, guys. The servers here are really fast. I really recommend that you use this site. There's also Darthsternie's firmware site here. This is very slow. I actually tried to download the 9.00 and guys, it was going to take upwards of like 50 minutes to finish the download. So their servers are really slow. I highly recommend you get it from here. It's a couple of minutes, guys, and you're done downloading. Okay, so that's that. So let's go back over here, and what we'll do, we'll put in our flash drive. And also, what you want to make sure you do, guys, is make sure that it's formatted to FAT32. I believe you can use exFAT, but just use FAT32. All right. And our directory structure, guys, is gonna be PS4, and then inside the PS4 folder, we're gonna create another folder called update. And then within the update folder, guys, you're just going to drag and drop this file here onto your hard drive. Your USB stick, flash drive, whatever. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Let it do its thing. I'm going to skip this part over a little bit, guys. It's going to take a minute. Okay guys, we're just about there. Okay, so another thing to note, guys, this is very important. We need to rename this, okay? What it needs to be is PS4 update.pup. This 900 REC, which means recovery. Just delete that there, guys. And that's what it should be named, PS4 update.pup. If you don't rename it like this, guys, it's not going to show up on your PS4. Okay? Alrighty. So we're good to go, guys. So let's hop on over to the PS4 and let's get to installing our firmware. Awesome. Okay, guys. So now we're going to boot up the PS4 into safe mode. And as far as I know, guys, from what I hear, you hold the power button down until it beeps. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see what happens. Okay, there's a PS logo. Is that supposed to happen? I don't know. Alright, so I think it will actually boot itself into safe mode. It should. Okay, cannot start the PS4. Connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable and then press the PS button. So we'll do that. There we go. Connect a USB storage device that contains an update file for reinstallation from 9.00. Later, you can download the update file for reinstallation from PlayStation.com. Okay. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to hook my flash drive up, guys. And now we're going to hit OK. And I think this may take a minute. It is a 2 terabyte hard drive, so wow, it is taking a minute. I think it might be partitioning the hard drive and all that good stuff, I believe. Getting it set up to install a firmware. I think. I don't know. Alright, the PS4 will be initialized. All users and all data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, because there's nothing on it anyway. Okay. So we got initialization going on here. Okay, so now we got a reboot going on here. I'm gonna restart. If I'm not mistaken, it's gonna do this a few times. And there we go. It's installing the recovery firmware. This may take a minute, guys, so I'm just going to skip this part over. Alright. Okay, guys, so we're just about there. It mentions that it's going to restart once it gets done. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to pull the flash drive out right now or not. I don't know. I think I should, but I don't know. I'm going to pull it out. I don't think we're going to need it anymore. It just installed the recovery firmware, so I don't think I need it. Updating system storage. After the update is completed, the PS4 will automatically restart. Once more. And that's a good sign. Okay. Press the... Okay. We're going to go with English, United States. I don't want to set up none of this yet. I'm going to set this up later. I'm going to skip this also. I am Eastern Time, US, Canada. And dang it, man, I don't even know what today is the 15th, right? Let me check. It should be. Yep, okay. And it is that time, so. Alright, we'll just go with that. I don't remember what I did here. Stay connected to the internet. I don't think I did that. Keep application suspended. I'm going to go with that. Accept, start now. And there we are, guys. So let's do this right here. What was it? Hold on. Oh, nope. Well, I wanted to, okay. Anyway, let's go down to, System. Now what am I doing? Alright, so I am on 9.00. That's good. I want to turn that off. See, I wanted to change my name on the user deal. I forget where it was at. Okay, forget it. Okay, well that's it, guys. Oh yeah, storage. Let's go to storage. Oh yeah. So we've used 6.35 megabytes out of 1.77 terabytes. We are good, dude. So, oh man. Alright, so guys, that's going to end this part of the tutorial. So next we are going to jailbreak this bad boy and get some homebrew going, and then I'm gonna then after that, part 3 video will be installing all my games back. Okay. All right, so y'all stay tuned, guys. Part 2 will be coming out soon, and yeah, get ready. See you guys later. Appreciate you watching, guys. I hope it helped you out. All right.